Pawpaw Sammy and Ellybug here. That is the original hive. And earlier this year, I split into that and that. This one is doing pretty doggone good. This one's faltering. That is a small swarm. It's there, but it's kind of low too. So what I'm fixing to do is, I went in my shed, I grabbed some scrap lumber, and I made these little boxes the right dimension for my brood box. So you see the one on top. Also, what I'm doing, when I raise the lid off the top box, I put just a piece of flat 1/4-inch plywood with a hole drilled in it. I lay that in here to set this box on, which is hollow. If you'll notice, there's nothing in there. I'm fixing to add the sugar water. Now, I'll pull the top off the gray box, put the flat plywood, set this box on there, and add the sugar water to them. That'll give the swarm and the little hive a boost, hopefully, because everything else is doing great. I mean, they swarming, they're going great. All right, Pawpaw Sammy and Ellybug, like and subscribe.